Today I will talk about how can you start fasting on your fasting app. We go to figure out the solution on how you can do that on your app. So you just follow this ways, then it's control video. So just follow this way, then it's going to work with you here. So all you have to do is so you just go down, click here on fast down here, and just click here on fast. So then it's going to take you to this list here. Then you click here on search fasting here, and you just click on it. Then here you select time, you click here on save, then it's going to save with you. So that's all you have to do. That's also just follow these ways. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.